I just did a Facebook Live event, and one element or shot we had guests on a Zoom call with our hosts, which got me thinking about getting the most out of your camera and looking your best. So today I'm going to be addressing using your computer or phone camera. However, these basic principles will transfer over to any camera. First, I'd like to ask, please learn to hold your phone in a landscape orientation unless you're doing an Instagram post. Just get in the habit of doing it. You'll be so thankful you made the changes because you will capture so much more useful content. So to look your best, here are 3 things to think about: framing, camera angle, and light source. When I use the term framing, I'm referring to where you are in the camera's field of view. Most importantly is where is your head. Typically you want your head to be in the top 75 or 80%. And if you're gonna err on your head too high rather than too low. If your camera shot is further back, you probably want to offset yourself in the frame. But if you're just doing a talking head, center yourself. Secondly is your camera angle. If you're using a laptop, you might need to lower your seat or set your computer on a stack of books. Do some simple tests by raising and lowering your camera, then trust your eye to get the right angle. Last to think about is where is your light source coming from in the room. If you have a bright window in the background, it's going to cause you some problems. To solve it, move or darken the light source, or get another light in front of you that will help balance the way your camera automatically exposes the light in your video environment. There's so much to say, but I wanted to give you some super basic tips to just help you look your best. And if you need some more solutions, please don't hesitate to ask. I'm Grant Rogers from Creative Video YYC. Now get out there and create some awesome videos. Tips for the ladies. I know they say a camera adds 10 pounds. If you want to look your best in a 3/4 shot, angle yourself away from the camera, then turn towards it. Trust me, it will make a difference.